The beast man is in slumber. No one may awake him from his slumber, or they will be killed instantly. Behold the beast man that will tear you limb from limb if you dare attack him. Beast man, behold the magnificent beast man. Never fuck with beast man, or he will take you apart, limb by fucking limb, till you are nothing but a armless, legless and headless corpse, ready to die for the almighty Jesus Christ. God bless his soul. Holy Quran, give me some wealth. Behold, Jesus is upon us. Assad is essentially Jesus. Goodbye, sweet dreams, Prince.